Hello guys. It's oh man, it's windy out here. Today here's a bunch of air conditioners. Here's a Garrison 5-ton and here's a Carrier Comfort it's not running right now. None of these aren't. None of these are. And here is I think this one's a Carrier Comfort too. I think it's a Bryant. These are all two Bryants right here. And Goodman 5-ton. And here's a says,
oh, my bad.
It says here's a Duquesne unit. 2 blades. See, and let's see. Look, there's some more units over here. Okay. See. Let's see. Here's another Carrier Comfort too. 4-ton. And another Garrison 5-ton unit. This one's running. And a Bryant 5-ton. And here's a Lennox 6-ton, I think. I don't know. Here's a Lennox. Here's a Garrison 4-ton unit, and here's a roundup unit. I don't know what type is this unit. And here's a Goodman 6-ton, I believe, or 5-ton, 4-ton. This is a big unit, and this. You see, that might be you saying, let's take a look over here and so, man, this is a Duquesne, something like that, and a Goodman 4-ton from like Here's 2 Garrison 5-tons and a Carrier Comfort and a Garrison 5-ton. So that's it. Thank y'all guys for watching, and peace out.